Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform houses into homes filled with warmth and character. Today, we're diving into creating the ultimate cozy farmhouse atmosphere perfect for those late winter evenings when all you want is comfort and charm. As the cold lingers and we're not quite ready for spring, your farmhouse deserves that extra touch of warmth. If you love farmhouse design and seasonal decorating, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to cozy up your space, and drop a comment below telling me your favorite farmhouse element. Your farmhouse story begins right at the curb, and late winter is the perfect time to enhance that classic charm. Think about incorporating a warm, weathered wood door in deep charcoal or classic barn red to create visual interest against winter's muted palette. Add vintage-inspired outdoor lighting with Edison bulbs that cast a golden glow during those early evenings. Consider placing a rustic wooden bench beside your entry with a galvanized metal planter filled with evergreen branches and dried hydrangeas. These timeless elements create what designers call curb appeal, that magnetic first impression that says, "Welcome home," before anyone even steps inside your farmhouse sanctuary. Step inside to an entryway that immediately wraps you in farmhouse warmth. Install shiplap walls painted in soft cream or greige, that perfect gray-beige blend designers adore. A sturdy wooden bench with woven baskets underneath provides seating and shoe storage simultaneously. Add vintage iron hooks at varying heights for coats, scarves, and hats, creating functional wall art. A large antiqued mirror with a distressed frame reflects light and makes your space feel larger. Layer a jute runner over your floor with a smaller core mat at the door. Complete this vignette with a ceramic bowl for keys and a small wooden tray for mail, keeping everything organized while maintaining that effortless farmhouse aesthetic. The living room is your farmhouse heart, especially during late winter evenings. Start with a substantial sofa in neutral linen or cotton. Think oatmeal, warm gray, or soft white. These natural fibers breathe authenticity into farmhouse design. Anchor your seating area with a reclaimed wood coffee table that tells a story through its weathered patina and natural imperfections. Add a vintage trunk as a secondary table for both function and character. Choose seating that emphasizes comfort over formality. Overstuffed armchairs with rolled arms, perhaps in a muted plaid or ticking stripe. Remember, farmhouse style celebrates lived-in comfort, so select pieces that invite you to sink in and stay a while on those chilly evenings. Late winter farmhouse style is all about layering textures to create depth and warmth. Drape chunky knit throws in cream or soft gray over your sofa arms. Add throw pillows in various sizes combining linen, burlap, and vintage grain sack fabrics. This technique, called textile layering, adds visual interest without overwhelming your space. Place a braided jute rug beneath your coffee table, then layer a smaller cowhide or sheepskin rug on top for dimension. Hang heavy linen curtains that puddle slightly on the floor, softening the space while providing insulation against winter drafts. These layers create that coveted Hygge feeling, the Danish concept of cozy contentment that pairs perfectly with farmhouse living. Lighting transforms your farmhouse living room from ordinary to extraordinary during those late winter evenings. Install a statement chandelier with an iron frame and Edison bulbs as your centerpiece. Add vintage-inspired table lamps with burlap or linen shades on side tables for task lighting. The key is creating ambient lighting layers, multiple light sources at different heights that you can adjust based on mood. Place pillar candles in varying heights on your coffee table and mantle in hurricane glass holders for flickering warmth. Consider adding flameless candles with timers for worry-free ambience. Dimmable switches are your friend here, allowing you to adjust the mood from bright and energetic to soft and intimate. If you're blessed with a fireplace, make it your late winter star. Frame it with a reclaimed wood mantle if you haven't already, This creates architectural interest and provides the perfect display surface. Style your mantle with symmetry or organic asymmetry. Try vintage books stacked horizontally, a large antiqued mirror leaning casually against the wall, and white ceramic pitchers filled with dried eucalyptus or cotton stems. Add small framed botanical prints and a weathered wooden dough bowl filled with preserved moss balls. Keep a galvanized bucket filled with firewood nearby. It's both practical and perfectly farmhouse. This styling technique, called curated collecting, makes your space feel personal and evolved over time rather than decorated all at once. Farmhouse walls should tell your story while maintaining that airy, uncluttered feeling. Create a gallery wall using vintage windows, antique mirrors, and family photos in mismatched frames with a cohesive color palette. Shiplap accent walls painted in soft white or warm gray add architectural texture without overwhelming. Consider adding open wooden shelving to display ironstone dishes, vintage books, and small potted herbs. A large-scale farmhouse sign with a meaningful word or phrase, like gather or blessed, serves as a focal point. Don't forget the power of negative space. Farmhouse design breathes better when walls aren't completely covered. This creates what designers call visual rest, allowing your eye to appreciate each element fully. Your farmhouse dining room extends that cozy living room warmth into mealtimes. A solid wood farmhouse table with a natural or distressed finish serves as your foundation. Look for pieces with turned legs and breadboard ends for authentic character. Surround it with mismatched chairs, perhaps Windsor-style wooden chairs mixed with a long wooden bench on one side. This collected over time look epitomizes farmhouse charm. Hang a simple iron chandelier with candle-style lights overhead, ensuring it's roughly 30 to 36 inches above the table surface. Layer your table with a linen runner in natural or soft gray, leaving the beautiful wood visible on both sides. This setup transforms everyday meals into special gatherings. Set your farmhouse table for late winter with layers of natural beauty. Start with simple white ironstone or cream-colored stoneware plates. These versatile pieces work year-round but feel especially cozy in winter. Add linen napkins in muted colors tied with twine and tucked with a sprig of dried lavender or rosemary. Create a centerpiece using a long wooden dough bowl filled with white pillar candles, pine cones, and eucalyptus stems. Incorporate vintage glass bottles in varying heights for additional interest. Use wooden chargers beneath your plates for added warmth and texture. This styling approach, called organic elegance, combines casual farmhouse elements with thoughtful presentation, making every meal feel special without being stuffy or overdone. The farmhouse kitchen balances serious functionality with charming aesthetics. Choose cabinetry in soft white, sage green, or warm gray with simple shaker-style doors and vintage-inspired hardware like cup pulls and bin pulls in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. Open shelving on at least one wall displays your prettiest dishes, vintage cutting boards, and ceramic crocks. A farmhouse apron front sink in white fireclay becomes a stunning focal point. Style your countertops minimally. Perhaps a vintage scale, a ceramic canister set, and fresh herbs in small pots near the window. Keep your small appliances like your coffee maker and toaster in complementary finishes. Stainless steel or matte black work beautifully. This creates what designers call a working kitchen that's as beautiful as it is practical. Late winter kitchen styling focuses on warmth and organic elements. Hang a pot rack with vintage character overhead, displaying copper or cast iron cookware. Add a vintage-style rug runner in muted patterns for comfort underfoot and visual warmth. Display wooden cutting boards propped against the backsplash, and keep a small cutting board with seasonal fruit on the counter. Place a vintage bread box and ceramic butter keeper on your counters for functional decor. Install pendant lights with clear glass shades and Edison bulbs over your island or sink area. Keep fresh flowers or branches in a simple pitcher near the sink. Even in late winter, grocery store tulips or forced branches bring life inside. These thoughtful details transform your kitchen into a space that nurtures both body and soul. Your farmhouse family room creates a more relaxed vibe than the formal living room. This is where real life happens. Arrange comfortable seating facing your flat-screen TV, which you can cleverly disguise within a large vintage cabinet or frame with reclaimed wood for a custom built-in look. Choose a sectional sofa in durable, washable fabric like canvas or linen, blend in warm gray or soft beige. Add a large ottoman with a wooden tray on top, serving as both coffee table and extra seating. Install floating shelves beside the TV for books, family photos, and decorative baskets that hide remotes and electronics. This space celebrates what designers call casual sophistication, beautiful enough for guests but durable enough for daily family living. Carve out a small but mighty workspace within your farmhouse. A vintage wooden desk with drawers provides character and storage. Look for pieces with turned legs and original hardware. Add a comfortable upholstered chair in linen or ticking stripe fabric. Place a small vintage radio on your desk for background music and nostalgic charm. A unique small desk clock, perhaps in brass or weathered metal, combines function with farmhouse style. Install a wall-mounted organizer with cubbies for mail and supplies. Add a desk lamp with an adjustable arm in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. Keep a small vase with fresh or dried flowers nearby. Float shelves above your desk for books and decorative items. This multifunctional space proves that productivity and beauty coexist perfectly in farmhouse design. Every farmhouse needs a cozy reading nook for those long winter evenings. Choose a comfortable wingback or slipper chair upholstered in soft linen, positioned near a window for natural light. Add a small round side table in wood or metal for your tea and books. Layer a sheepskin throw over the chair for extra warmth and luxury. Install a wall-mounted reading lamp with an adjustable arm, or use a tall floor lamp with a linen shade. Place a small bookshelf or vintage ladder shelf within arm's reach, styled with your current reads and favorite treasures. Add a chunky knit poof for propping up your feet. A small woven basket holds extra blankets nearby. This intimate corner becomes your sanctuary for quiet moments and contemplation. Your farmhouse bedroom should be a serene escape that welcomes restful sleep. Anchor the room with a wood-framed bed, either natural wood tones or painted white for a lighter feel. Dress it in all-white bedding with layered textures, crisp cotton sheets, a chunky knit blanket, and a vintage quilt folded at the foot. Add Euro shams and sleeping pillows in white linen with simple gray or neutral throw pillows for subtle contrast. Place wooden nightstands on either side with vintage-inspired table lamps. A large jute rug anchors the space underfoot. Keep walls simple, perhaps shiplap painted soft white or warm grayish. A wooden bench at the foot of the bed provides a landing spot for tomorrow's clothes or extra blankets. This creates a restful environment perfect for recharging during cold winter nights. Complete your farmhouse bedroom with thoughtful finishing touches. Hang simple linen curtains in white or soft gray that filter morning light gently. Add a vintage wooden ladder against the wall for displaying quilts or hanging tomorrow's outfit. Place a galvanized metal tray on your dresser holding small ceramic dishes for jewelry and a small potted succulent. A vintage alarm clock on your nightstand adds character while serving its purpose. Consider a small upholstered bench or vintage chair in the corner for reading or putting on shoes. Keep fresh eucalyptus in a simple vase on your dresser. Its calming scent promotes relaxation. Add personal photos in simple wooden frames. These curated details create what designers call a styled but not staged look that feels authentically yours. Transform your farmhouse bathroom into a serene, spa-like retreat. Choose a simple pedestal sink or vessel sink atop a wooden vanity for classic farmhouse charm. Install a large frameless mirror or one with a simple wooden or metal frame. Your shower area should feature white subway tile with dark grout for definition and authentic character. Add a vintage-style shower head in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. Place fluffy white towels rolled in a vintage wire basket or wooden crate for easy access and visual appeal. Install simple sconces on either side of the mirror for flattering light. Keep countertops minimal with apothecary-style soap dispensers, a small plant, and a ceramic tray holding daily essentials. This pared-down approach creates a calming sanctuary for your daily rituals. Don't overlook your garage in your farmhouse design. It's functional space that deserves attention too. Install pegboard walls painted in soft gray or white for organizing tools and equipment. Add open wooden shelving for storage bins and seasonal items. Hang vintage-style task lighting with cage guards for industrial farmhouse character. If space allows, create a small workbench area using reclaimed wood with storage beneath. Keep a vintage metal trash can for debris. Install hooks for hanging bikes, garden tools, and extension cords. Add a sturdy rubber mat at the entry for wiping feet. Even this utilitarian space benefits from thoughtful organization and farmhouse aesthetics. A well-organized garage creates what designers call functional flow, making your daily routine smoother and more pleasant. Your farmhouse patio becomes an extension of your cozy interior, ready for those surprisingly warm late winter afternoons. Arrange weather-resistant furniture in natural materials. Think teak or all-weather wicker in neutral tones. Add outdoor cushions in fade-resistant fabrics in warm grays, creams, or muted blues. String cafe lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Place a vintage galvanized tub as a side table or for holding firewood if you have an outdoor fireplace. Add an outdoor rug in a natural fiber or subtle pattern to define your seating area. Include several lanterns in varying sizes with pillar candles for soft lighting. Position a wooden bench near your door with a basket for storing gardening gloves or outdoor toys. Even in late winter, this space beckons you outdoors to enjoy crisp, fresh air. There you have it, friends. Your complete guide to creating a cozy farmhouse home perfect for late winter evenings. Remember, farmhouse style is all about layering textures, choosing quality natural materials, and creating spaces that feel collected over time rather than decorated all at once. The beauty of this design approach is that it's forgiving, livable, and always welcoming. Start with one room, incorporate these tips gradually, and watch your home transform into the warm, inviting sanctuary you've always dreamed of. If you loved this tour, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more design inspiration delivered to your feed. Comment below and tell me which room you're most excited to tackle first. Until next time, keep creating spaces you absolutely love coming home to. Happy decorating!